Hello students, today we will start new topic. Topic name is belt, chain and gear drive. Today in this topic, today we will discuss on types of drive, selection of belt drive, classification of belt drive, types of belt drive and material. Types of drives: belt drive, chain drive, rope drive and gear drive. In belt drive, belt is used for transmission of power from one shaft to another when the distance between the shaft is up to 8 meters. Pulleys are mounted on shaft and continuous belt or rope is passed over them. Second, chain drive. To avoid slipping phenomena occur in belt and rope, a chain drive is used which is called positive drive, rope drive. The rope drive are widely used where the large amount of power is to be transmitted from one shaft pulley to another over a considerable distance. It is circular in cross section. Gear drive. It is positive drive and used for power transmission where the distance between the shaft is small. Selection of a belt drive. Following are the various factors upon which the selection of belt drive depends: speed of the driving and driven shaft, speed reduction ratio, power to be transmitted, center distance between the shaft, positive drive requirements, shaft layouts, space available, and service condition. Belt type. The belts are classified in three categories. First, flat belt, second, V belt, and third, circular belt. Flat belt. The flat belt are used on flat pulley and the distance between the pulley is not more than 8 meters. It can deliver high power at high speed with wide belt and large pulley. It is rectangular in cross section. Flat belt tends to climb the higher side of pulley, so pulleys were made with slightly convex surface to allow the belt to self-center as it runs. Application. It is used in factories, flour mills, coolant pump, etc. V-belt. These are used for the moderate amount of power transmission and the distance between the pulley is very small. It is trapezoidal in cross section and the angle of the groove pulley is 30° to 40° and are endless. Greater is load. V-belt, which improve torque and power transmission capacity. Optimum speed range is 300 to 2130 meter per minute. It has long service life. It has high reduction ratio with small distance between shaft. Application in IC engine power transmission from crankshaft pulley to water pump pulley. Round belt. It is used where large amount of power transmission is used. It is circular in cross section. It is used where the distance between the two pulleys are more than 8 meters apart. There are three belt drives. light drive, medium drive and heavy drive. In light drive, they are used to transmit small power at belt speed up to about 10 meter per second as in agriculture machines and small machines tools. Medium drive, they are used to transmit medium power at belt speed over 10 meter per second but up to 22 meter per second as in machine tool. Heavy drive, these are used to transmit large power at belt speed about 22 meters per second as in compressor and generators. Material for belts. The usual material used in belt like leather, fabric, rubber, polyester. Material for flat belts. The material used for flat belt must be strong, flexible and durable. It must have high coefficient of friction. The flat belts are made of leather, cotton, rubber, synthetic material. Material for V-belt. V-belt are manufactured from fabric, rubber, leather. Material for rope belt. The material for rope belt are cotton and steel wire, etc. Thank you.